All right, friends, sounds like we're gonna have a good dinner today. We hope you have a lovely day. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to assemble an easy and delicious dinner for your family. We're gonna season our cube chuck roast with our ground cumin, black pepper, Mexican oregano, your chicken bouillon, and if you don't wanna use chicken bouillon, you can salt to taste. Combine your ingredients well. Once you fully combine all your seasonings into your beef, you're gonna add your olive oil and give that a good massage. And I'm gonna allow our mixture to set at room temperature until I'm done chopping our veggies. And once you have your veggies nice and chopped, it's time to head on over to our stovetop. Place your beautiful pan on a medium-high heat. We are gonna sear this beef for about 6 minutes. So don't move anything for 6 whole minutes. Give or take, after about 5 to 6 minutes, you're gonna add your garlic and your veggies. Give that a good mix and place your burner on a medium heat and allow it to cook for another 4 minutes until your tomatoes are nice and soft. Give or take, after 4 minutes, you're gonna add your tomato sauce. And if you don't like tomato sauce, that's okay. I personally think it enhances the flavor of the broth and it just makes you want to eat more and more and more of it. Add your potatoes, your water. Give that a beautiful mix, just like the Views Club. Place the lid on it, and we're going to continue to cook for about 13 to 15 minutes until your potatoes are nice and soft. Give or take, after about 13 to 15 minutes, your potatoes should be nice and soft. Lastly, you're going to add your cilantro. Give that a good mix. And you see we have enough stew for everybody. Just delicious, nice and juicy, filling. You come home to this when you have a long day at work or get back from school of being stressed or, you know, meeting up with your family. You know what? This is going to satiate you. It's going to make you so happy. So I'm just going to serve a plate for us. Hang tight. And I'm going to pair this dish with some Mexican rice. I'll link the recipes down below. And some refried beans. Yummy, yummy. They kept them nice and runny.